myself my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I installed these gorgeous passion twists on my hair. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. I already started off by pre-parting my hair just to make my work a lot easier, and I'll also have a detailed video on how I part my hair out very soon, so please watch out for that. So to install these passion twists, I'm going to be using this hair that was sent to me by Toyotress hair. It's their passion twist in the length 24 inches, and I also love that it comes with a crochet needle and some accessories that you need while making your hair. So they sent me 7 packs of hair and I didn't finish everything. I believe I only used about 6.5 packs, so 1 pack of hair is definitely enough for your entire head. And this color is 1B30. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the pack. The hair is very gorgeous, and it's also very long. This is 24 inches, but it actually got all the way down to my waist, if not my butt, so keep that in mind when you're getting the hair. It gets very long. So I already went ahead and did the back section of my hair just so this tutorial isn't too long, and here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. I did the bricklayering pattern, so my hair is falling really nice and it's covering up the gaps really well. So to install this hair, all I'm going to be doing is separating the hair at first. In the beginning I started off using 2 pieces of hair on one section, but it was a little too thick for my liking, so I decided to separate 1 piece into 2. That way I had 1.5 pieces that I was using on each section of the hair. Now this hair is very curly, so you want to be very careful when you're separating it, so make sure you separate each side to the end before pulling it apart, and that will just make it so much more easy to pull. So now I'm taking 1 piece of hair and adding one of those halves to it, and I'm going to use my crochet needle to just pass that underneath the rubber band. And here I've seen a lot of people making knots, but I really didn't want to do that. I felt it would be too difficult to take out, so I'm just going to be pulling only 1 piece of the hair through, and then I'm going to make sure that both sides are equal. And now I'm going to take my shine and jam gel, and what this is going to do is just make my hair blend in nicely with the passion twist hair, because my hair is really kinky and it's not the same texture as the hair, so you want it to blend in as much as possible. So I separated my hair into 2 halves and added them to each side of the passion twist, and now I'm just going to start twisting. Twisting this hair is very easy, but it did take me a bit of time to determine which side to twist to. So in the video you guys can see me twisting towards the left, well I was actually twisting towards the right, but my camera kind of like flips that, so just keep that in mind. I'll definitely advise you to twist it towards both sides just to see how you like the twist, because I found that when you twist to the left, the twist looks a different way than when you twist to the right, so just keep that in mind. Anyway, I'm just going to be repeating the process for you guys to see again. So I pass the hair underneath the rubber band, and then I pull out only 1 piece, and now I'm going to make sure that both sides are equal in length. I'm going to add some shine and jam to my hair that's in the middle. I'm just tightening it to make sure that the root is still like really neat, and then now I'm going to start twisting my hair into the passion twist. This style is super easy, you guys. All you have to do is twist. You don't have to rope twist, you don't have to twist in any special type of way. Just make sure that you're twisting tight enough, and every time you let go of the twist, it's just going to have like a really beautiful curl and a really beautiful texture, and I really loved how it looked. So this is me. I'm just going to go ahead and continue twisting my hair, and I'm just going to let you guys watch, and I'll be back if I need to explain anything. So when I twist to the end, if there are any like flyaways or any like rough bits, I just use my scissors to trim them off, and I move on to the next section doing the exact same thing. In all, I'd say that this probably took me a couple of hours to do. I actually filmed this over the course of 2 days. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but it did take me a while to do, and I would say it's just because of how long the hair was. So I definitely had to twist for a really long time. As you guys can see, whenever it got a little too long, I had to just use my teeth to hold the hair so it'd be a little easier for me to continue twisting. So this is the very last section of hair, and you guys can even imagine how happy I was. I'm sure if you braid or twist your own hair, you know the happiness that comes with getting to the very last section. So once again, I'm just repeating the exact same process. I used the crochet needle to pass the hair underneath the rubber band, and now I just separated my hair into 2 pieces and added each one to each side of the passion twist hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and twist it up. And this is pretty much it, you guys. The hair was really cute. I love the color on my skin tone. I feel like it matches my skin tone really well. Like, it just makes my skin look really good because of the like golden highlights that the hair has. And after I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and use some mousse just to like smoothen things up, you know, to make sure that my hair doesn't have any flyaways or anything like that. You don't need to dip this hair in hot water. I believe that will just make it really heavy. All you need to do is use some mousse and probably some like sheen spray just to give it a bit of shine, and the hair is pretty much good to go. Like, I cannot wait to style this hair in so many ways because it is super gorgeous. I haven't had hair this long in a minute, so I'm really excited to try out different styles. I went ahead and I did my edges just to make the look come together, and like I said, I'm going to be using some of that mousse just to like tame the flyaways that my hair has. I'm also going to be using the mousse on the ends just so like the curly bits get really curly. You guys know what mousse does to curls. Like, it just helps the curls pop a little bit more. So I'm also adding some of that mousse to the ends as well. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to film a styling video for this hair and show you different ways that I'd like to style it, and I'll definitely make that video available to you. Like I said, I'll also post a video on how I parted my hair for this style, a detailed video for you guys, so please be on the lookout for that. I did my makeup and got dressed, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do the needful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.